Get ready to sprinkle some luck and charm into your St. Patty's Day decorations. Let's add a touch of whimsy and a dash of humor. In this video, I'll show you how I created the Lucky Charms cereal box. Here's a little preview of the oat cereals that I created, and my canvas I'll be doing this is at the bar on the chalkboard. Here's my previous decorating at the bar on the window for Christmas. So to get started, I freehanded shapes of the marshmallows. I didn't do all of them. I just simply did the ones that I thought I could draw. And for the oats, I go in with this light brown construction paper, trace them out. And the easiest way to make multiples of these is to fold that in half. And I did that up to 4 sheets at once and cut them all out. 2 on each page like that. Best method I could find to make a bunch. And to make them more cartoony, I outlined them in my Sharpie, add that little hole in this spade looking thing, and give it some speckles of black dots. The shapes of the cereal itself seem to be an X, a spade, a fish looking thing with a hole, and like a clover. And I'm going to hang them up with Scotch tape so don't ruin the board. But here's how they're looking so far. Looking good. And you can do this all on construction paper. And I wasn't too particular how they look because if you've ever seen real ones, they kind of scary looking. So I got this fancy cardstock at Walmart. And I love the effect of it. And you'll see here at the very end of the video how cool it makes them look. Now, each page, it goes to a lighter shade of that color, and it just looks cool. So for the marshmallow shapes, I did the ones again that I thought I could draw. I did the hat, balloon, the star. You'll see. And to emphasize it more, I just went heavier on different points of the star. I did the unicorn. I just simply outlined them like that. And then for his hair, it's kind of, I just drew my little outline and then it's like oodles and noodles. I did it 2 different shades, purple and blue. So here's a look of my vision on my table, how I want it set up. Now that I have these done, and I just went out and printed those little rainbows on my printer on cardstock. So, a bowl of cereal with a spoon and milk splashes coming out. And I did make extra to like just hang in different places. Stay tuned. I will be doing this on Friday and I will upload how it turns out. Plus some extra surprises. Stay tuned.